Everyone, and we're back in our accessibility package. We're on step 3. If you have not done any of this and it doesn't look familiar, you need to go back to the video series at the very beginning and install the package. So step 3, we're going to work on colors on the button that are on the home page. And again, our last video, we talked about the contrast checker. This is going to be very important here. But essentially what you'll do is we go back to home page and we're going to work on this button. Yes, ours looks different now because I've been in adjusting colors. But if I hover over, you notice how the button, the background color is darker. What I can tell by looking at this is the background color of the button and the background color of here. That is not accessible because once I hover over it, it almost blends in. So I'm going to want to go check those colors. But once I figure out the colors I want, we're going to go hit back to the builder so we can get into these components, press the hero. There I go. I clicked on it and go to button right here, primary button. First of all, you can remove the button. Maybe you don't want one, but I've got one on there and I want you to practice with this. So the button text color is first. That's the color we see. And then the button text hover color is the color it changes to when you hover. Then you also have the button background color, which I have set to white, and then the hover color right here. So these are colors I want you to move around and see if you can make it accessible. And if you feel crazy or excited, you can, let's go back to, let's go to secondary button. Let's put another button on there. You can do that. So that's what you're going to do in step 2 and make the page accessible.